Welcome to Beauty and Style Perspective, a podcast where we talk about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle in our daily lives. I'm Isni. I'm very happy to be here today. In this episode, we will talk about how beauty and fashion show who we are. I'm joined by three guests with different opinions, so this will be a fun and interesting discussions. Before we get started, let me introduce our guest, Maisha, a fashion enthusiast known for her simple yet effortless style. Hesti, a beauty enthusiast who focuses on skincare and natural makeup looks. And Bayu, who will share insights from a men's fashion perspective and talk about current trends. Thank you all for being here. I'm really excited to hear your talks today. Let's start with quick introduction so our listeners can get to know you better. Maisha, how would you describe your relationship with fashion?
Hi Asmi and hi to all the listeners. I'm really happy to be here. Fashion has always been something I enjoy, especially when it comes to mixing simple outfits that style, feel comfortable and reflect who I am.
I like that. Simple but meaningful. Hesti, how about you? Why you interested in beauty and skincare?
Hello everyone, thank you so much for inviting me. I'm so excited to be here today. So I become interested to skincare and natural makeup look because I realized that the taking care of your skin is closely connected to self-care and confidence.
That's very true. And Bayu, from your side, what got you interested in men's fashion?
Hi Sni and listeners, thank you for having me. I started paying attention to men's fashion because I noticed how much appearance can affect first impression, especially in professional and social settings.
Okay, let's start with beauty. Hesti, you mentioned self-care earlier. In daily life, especially with busy schedules, how realistic is it to maintain a beauty routine?
I think it's very realistic as long as we keep it simple. A beauty routine doesn't need many steps, but just a few minutes in the morning and night can be already make a difference. It helps you feel more prepared and confident.
I like that you emphasize complexity. For listeners who are just starting their skincare journey, what basic steps should they focus on first?
The basic are cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Clean skin is the foundation. Moisturizer keeps the skin healthy, and sunscreen protect in the long term. And consistency is the key.
That's a good point. Sometimes people want instant results and forget about consistency. Maisha, from your experience, does skincare really affect confidence in fashion?
Yes, definitely. When your skin feels healthy, you'll naturally feel more confident. It affects how you carry yourself, and even simple outfit feel better when you feel good about yourself.
That connection between beauty and fashion is really interesting. Now, let's talk about fashion. Maisha, you mentioned that fashion reflects who you are. Can you tell us more about how fashion shapes someone's identity?
Fashion is like a visual language. Without saying anything, your outfit already communicates something about you, your personality, your mood, and sometimes even your feelings. That's why I think it's important to wear something that truly represents who you are. Okay.
That makes sense. So, for someone who feels confused about their style, where should they start?
I will say start by observing what you feel most comfortable wearing and don't follow trend blindly. Once you know what you like and what fits your body, well, styling becomes much easier.
I like how confidence keeps coming up in this conversation. Bayu, you mentioned professionalism earlier. How much do you think fashion affects first impression for men?
It affects it a lot. The way you dress can influence how people see you before you even speak. Dressing neatly shows that you respect yourself and the situation you're in.
That's very true. For men who want to improve their style but don't know where to start, what are the must-have items?
I always recommend starting with basic plain t-shirt in neutral colors, a white shirt, black pants or chinos, white sneaker and a simple watch. With these items you can mix and match easily for different occasions.
That sounds very practical. Meisha or Hesti, do you agree with that approach?
Yes, I do. Basics are important for everyone, not just men. They make styling much easier.
I agree too. When the outfit is simple and clean, it allows your natural confidence to stand out.
Now, let's talk about trends. We often see trends change very quickly. From your perspective, where are beauty and fashion heading right now?
In beauty, the focus shifting toward skin health. People are becoming more aware that healthy skin is a foundation of good makeup.
So it's more about long-term care rather than quick fixes?
Exactly. People want result the last, not just temporary looks.
And Maisha, how about fashion trends?
In fashion, I see more people choosing timeless style. Of instead of buying many trendy items, they prefer pieces that can be worn, repeated, and styled in different ways.
That also connects to lifestyle choice, I think. Bayu, what's your take?
I think sustainability is becoming more important. People are starting to think about the impact of their fashion and beauty choice, which is a positive change.
It's interesting how trends are now connected to values, not just appearance. Before we move to the closing, let's share some quick tips for our listeners. If you had to give just one beauty tip, what would it be?
Consistency. You don't need expensive product, but you need to use them regularly.
Wow, simple but powerful. Meisha, your daily fashion tip?
Choose clothes that makes you feel comfortable and confident. When you feel good, it really shows.
And Bayu, any advice for men who are just starting to care about fashion?
Start with basic items and neutral colors. Once you're comfortable, you can slowly explore more styles.
That's great advice. Before we wrap up, I'd like each of you to share one final message for our listeners.
My message is taking care of yourself, especially your skin, because it's a form of self-confidence.
Thank you, Hesti. How about Maisha?
Don't be afraid to express who you are through fashion. Your daily soul feel true to you.
I love that. Bayu?
Looking neat and presentable is a way of respecting yourself and others.
Thank you so much to Meisha, Hesti, and Bayu for such a thoughtful and engaging conversation. I hope this episode has inspired our listeners to see beauty and fashion not just as trends, but as part of self-expression. I'm Isni, thank you for your attention. See you guys!